Introduction to Exporting Photos from VSCO.
VSCO is a popular photo editing app that lets you enhance and share your images easily. One common question is how to save photos in high quality and without watermarks. In this guide, you'll learn the simple steps to export your edited photos from VSCO. Keep them looking their best and make sure no unwanted watermarks appear.
Editing your photo in VSCO.
Start by importing your photo into VSCO from your device's gallery. Use the editing tools to adjust exposure, contrast, filters, and more until you're satisfied with the result. VSCO automatically saves your edits, so you can revisit or tweak them anytime. Make sure your edits are final before exporting to get the highest quality output.
Exporting in high resolution.
Once you're happy with your photo, tap the Export or Save icon. VSCO exports images in high resolution by default, matching your original file quality. There is no need to adjust settings for resolution, but check that your app is up to date for the best results. The exported photo will be saved to your device's gallery.
Saving photos without watermarks.
VSCO does not add watermarks to your images when you use the free or paid versions. Any watermark you see is likely from a third-party app or a specific VSCO template. For watermark-free exports, avoid using promo frames or templates labeled with VSCO's logo and stick to basic edits. Your exported photo should be clean and ready to share.
Tips for best results.
To ensure your exported images remain high quality, always edit the highest resolution version available. Back up your original files if possible. If you notice any loss of quality, check your device's storage or update the VSCO app. With these tips, you can confidently export stunning, watermark-free photos from VSCO every time.